Hello everyone, I am Paramita. I am a Salesforce certified consultant. I like to talk about Marketing Cloud, Lightning Web Component. Today in this video, I am going to talk about a very important topic in Marketing Cloud, how to personalize your email in Marketing Cloud. Now, I am going to discuss about quite a few ways how you can personalize your Marketing Cloud email, like using the personalization string, using AMP script, and also how you can personalize using dynamic content block. Now this is a sample email we are going to create. Now here I am not going to discuss too much about the design. Like in my last video I have shown you like how to create one email template. If you want, you can watch that video. There I have shown like how to create the email template and how to use the content palette and different UI element in the content builder. So you can watch that video if you want for more information. And in this video, mainly I am going to show you like how you can personalize using these three tools like personalization string, AMP script, and dynamic content block. And then how can you test that using a data extension? So that also I am going to show you hands-on, like whether it's working or not perfect, all those stuff. Okay, so excuse my voice today because I got so bad cold and cough. So sometimes you will hear me coughing or sneezing, like got runny nose as well. Excuse for that. Let's start. I am going to the content builder. Okay, so I am here in content builder. So on the top right corner, I clicked on create button. There are quite a few options. You can see email message, email template, and content blocks, SMS message, mobile app, chat messaging, and upload. We use this upload button to upload the images in the content builder. Okay, upload, then content, then you can upload the image in the content builder. And in my last video, I have shown you how to create one email template from the scratch using this email template. I also explained about these two options. Okay, now we are going to create email today, not the email template. So we are going to click on email message. Now here you can see there are quite a few options. We are going to create from template, so we'll select template. Now here there are basic templates, empty templates, themed templates, and saved templates which you created and saved before. Like in my last video, I created one email template. Okay. Now today I'm going to use any basic template. This one, you can select any. I will give it a name, test email. Description, I'm not writing any description here because I'm just creating it for test purpose. Now in your case, if you are working on any project, please always leave some description here, like what the email is about, for what you are going to use. Okay, like welcome email or anything, what's the purpose. So always write some meaningful description here. I'm leaving it now for the moment. Now here I am not too much worried about the design or anything. I am mainly creating this email for testing purpose. Like I want to show you how to personalize the email. Like there are quite a few ways to personalize, as I told. Like you can use personalization string, you can use AMP script, you can use dynamic content, Einstein. Now today in this video I am going to show you hands-on how to use the personalization string, AMP script, and dynamic content. For Einstein I will make another video. Okay, now here I'll put the image. If you haven't watched my previous video where I have created a template, email template, I will suggest you to watch that first. There I have elaborately, like, I have explained quite a lot about the designing and stuff. Okay, now here quickly I will put one image here in this image block. I'll delete and I will. Now, one thing I want to mention, if you want to use the image here, first you have to upload the image, okay, before using here. Or you can use any image which is online. You can use the image URL. Now for header section, I will use one image from Unplush. Unplush.com. You can get some free loyalty free images here. Computer images. Yeah, just checking it. Right click, I'll copy the image address and I'll put the URL here. So it's looking like this. Now here you can see on the top it's empty. I will fix it. The margin I'm doing 0. See, that is gone. Okay, now let it be like this. Now this is the text section. I'm going to do a little bit different. Suppose this is for my channel, so I will write welcome to my channel. Then suppose I want to write hi, sorry, not here, here. Hi subscriber. Oh, I don't want it to be so big. I don't want it to be bold also. No font. I'll write hi subscriber. Thanks for watching my videos. If you like, please click the like button. Okay, now here hi subscriber, it's okay. Like maybe when you are sending to someone like your customers or something, you can write hi customer or something like that. But instead of writing that, I want to personalize this message. How? I want to write here the first name of each subscriber, whoever I am sending the email. Okay, so I have to derive the first name of each subscriber here dynamically. Now to do this, we are going to use some data extension, okay, or list from where we will derive this. Now today I have already created one data extension. I'm not going to show in this video how to create data extension. I assume you already know that. If you don't know, I'm going to create another video for data extension as well. I will leave the link for that video in the description section. Okay, you can watch that because because I want to make a different video for that, because I want to explain a lot of things there which are really important, especially for the email specialist certification. So I will make a separate video for that. Now today I have already created the data extension uh, where I have 5-6 field. I think I will show you later on. When I will do test the email, you will see that. Now there the first name is a field. Okay, so I will use the value of that field. So this is a personalization string I am using. So percent the field name, first name, and then again percent. Okay, so see, this is the personalization string. Start with double percent, and then this is the field name of the data extension whose value we want to derive here. So there is a field called first name. We want to derive the value of that first name field, and then again it will be closed with the double percent. So this is personalization string. Okay, now first I will test this one, how it's working. Then I will also show you if we want to use AmpScript to do something more, that also I'll show. So first we'll check this one. So done. So at this moment nothing is there because it's not connected with any data extension. So I'll save the email first, and then we'll go to preview and test to do the testing. Now today I will also explain you, after showing all this personalization, like how you should test your email, like after finishing the development of your email, how in in how many ways you can do the testing. Okay, so this is also actually testing what I am going to do. So I'm going to test whether the personalization string is working properly or not. Oh, sorry, I forgot to put the subject. See, so that's why it's not showing me. So remember, you have to put the subjects. Definitely, it's must. Actually, I should have done it at the beginning. Sorry, my mistake. Okay, so subject. So you always put a relevant subject which will be relevant to the message you are writing in your email. Okay, I'll write it welcome email. Done. You can write pre-header also. Now I'm just leaving it. Subject is must. Okay, so save, and then I'm going to preview and test. Now I will select here the data extension which I want to connect with this email and test. I have created one test data extension. It has got some dummy data I have put there. Yeah, see, this is the data extension I created. There are ID, first name, last name, gender, city, email. Okay, data extension is like table. If you know SQL, then it's easy for you. You know what it is. So I am going to use the value of this field. Okay, first name field value. So it will be like this: hi baby, or hi Emily, hi Nadine. So like this, it will dynamically derive the value from this field. That's my purpose. Now from here you choose any of this record, first record, second, third, any of this record. Okay, so it doesn't matter. I am going to choose this record. Okay, there is a purpose for that. I'll tell you that. Now you can choose any record, it doesn't matter. So I'll select this one and select. Okay, so here see the first name is David. See, it's showing the first name David. Hi David, thanks for watching my videos. If you like, please click the like button. Okay, now go to the next record like this. See, the name is, oh, the name is empty. Okay, so if the name is empty, here nothing is coming. Hi empty. Hi, thanks for watching, like this. If you want this, that's okay, but if you don't want this, there is a remedy. Suppose I don't want it to be like this. If the first name is empty, now there can be a lot of reason in your database. Maybe some value will be missing there. Everything is not in our hand, so it depends on the data of the client and all. Lot of factors are there. If it's empty, suppose I want to put a default value there, like hi my valued subscriber, how hi my valued customer, like this. Now you can do that in two ways. You can do that very easily. Just mention a default value in the data extension. Okay, that can be done, but in that case you have to make that field value required. So in case if there is nothing, then it will take the default value. That's the way. Another way, we can mention some AMP script here in the email. So I'm going to use the AMP script now, just to show you like how we can use. uh, I will go back and I will edit it here again. So I'll just write a small inline AMP script equals. This is an inbuilt function in AMP script. If you know AMP script, you know. AMP script is very easy. Anyone can easily learn that actually. So empty, if empty, I'm mentioning the field name or column name, whatever you say. So this is the condition actually, empty. If the value of this field empty, then I want to write my valued subscriber. Okay, and then so if I mean if the value of first name field is empty, then it will print my valued subscriber. But if it's not empty, then it will print the value of the first name field. Okay, so it's simple. This is the condition. If the condition is satisfied, it will show this first value. If the condition is not satisfied, it's going to show this third value. Okay, so we are going to test this one as well. Now done editing, save, and then go to preview and test. Now again we'll choose the data extension, test one. You can choose any data, but I'm going to choose that data because I have created one data without first value. See the 51, the last data, there was no any blank data actually. I just added this one, so I'll choose this one, 49th data. Select, you can choose any data. Now see here the first name is Forest. Oh, I did mistake. See, I didn't put a equal sign here. Okay, so if your code is like there is some error or something, it will come just like that. Now see here there has to be on this equal sign. I didn't put that, that's why. So go back and edit it. Equals, done, save. Now preview and test. It's automatically coming. Yeah, so here it's taking the 50th data. So here the first name is car. Say hi car. Okay, the next name is empty. See, the next name is empty, so it took that other option. Hi, my valued subscriber, thanks for watching my videos. If you like, please click the like button. Okay, so see, now we have written the AMP script successfully. Whatever we wanted the result we got. Okay, so where the name is there, the name is deriving the name um, dynamically, and where there is no name, it's writing the text which I have mentioned there. You can mention anything, whatever you want. Okay, so like this we can do a lot of things with AMP script. We can do a lot of personalization. Okay, and so far I have discussed like how you can use personalization string, how you can use AMP script to do more personalization with the email. Now I am going to show you how to use the dynamic content. Okay, how to use the dynamic content to personalize your email. Like here in the data extension which I was using, like you can see there is a field called gender, like male, female. Okay, so suppose I want to send some I want to put some picture here, maybe if you are doing if you are developing an email for a suppose clothing shop, you want to send email to the women for women clothing, you want to send uh, email to the male, like whatever email you are sending to the male, you want to send them with a male clothing picture. Okay, so these types of thing, like depending on the gender, depending on the interest, maybe some people have got interest in hiking, some people got interest in swimming, so depending on their interest behavior, you can like personalize the content of the email. Okay, so now here I am going to personalize this image depending on their gender. Now I will go to the edit again. I have to put one image here first. Okay, no, I will not put an image here. Now I have to put a dynamic content. Okay, so when we want to uh, create some dynamic content, when we want to personalize using dynamic content, first we are going to put a dynamic content there. Okay, now I'm going to edit this dynamic content. Now I have to put a content here. I just put one image. I want this image should be shown only to the girls, like only to the women. Okay, so what I have to do that, I have to create a rule. Now here see, we have two options: specify the data to build the rule from profile attributes or from data extensions. Now yeah, that's the thing, like in profile attributes, we can use the profile attributes also, like from the subscribers profile, or we can use any data extensions or audience. Now I am going to use here data extension which I have already created, I shown you. Okay, now after clicking that, you can choose the data extension from here. This is my data extension. I will choose it and okay. Sorry, I just got some cough. It's so cold here now. Okay, so from here I am going to create the rule on the basis of this field, gender. Okay, so for you it will depend which field you want to create the rule for. Now the gender I will drag here. After doing this, see, there are some operators you can choose. I want to do that gender is equal to female. Okay, is equal to female, or just a moment. Now here, one thing I want to tell you, the spelling should be correct. Okay, small letter, caps letter, it has to be exactly like this, so better you copy and paste here. So gender is equal to female. So when the gender is female, then they will see that picture which I selected now. I have to, yeah, so I selected that one. So when gender is equal to female, this picture is going to be on the email. Now save. This is a rule. Now I will also do rule number 2. When is not female, then I want to show a different picture. So gender is not equal to female, then we have to select. I wanted a main picture, but I don't have that right now. This is just you will see that whatever it is, it's somewhere like in Singapore. I went there, it was a statue. So save. Okay, so now two pictures are there. When it's female, you will see this number one picture. When it's not female, you will see this picture in this email. Okay, so that's the purpose of dynamic purpose of using the dynamic content in our example. Now editing is done. I will save it. We are going to check this as well. We are going to test this also. Now this block I will delete it. I'm not going to use that again. Hmm. Now this text, I'll write something. Hmm. What to write? Uh, this is just a sample email for learning purpose. Done. Okay, so save again. Yeah, so we are going to check this dynamic content, how it's working, like when it's how it's changing, like for female and male subscribers. So go to preview and test again, because we have used this what it's called, because we have used this data extension before, so it's automatically coming now. Sorry. Now this is the this is one record. Here the gender is say male, so for male we are saying this picture. Then we have to find one female. This is also male, so the same picture. This is also male, so same picture. Male. Yeah, this is female. See, this one is female, so the picture changed. So that's how we can use the dynamic content so easily, just drag and drop and create some rule. It's very easy, no coding, nothing. We can personalize the email using the dynamic content. Okay, so these are the three way of personalization I have discussed today. So personalization, string, am script, and dynamic content. Okay, now then you can do a lot of things, like you can add the Facebook. Okay, I'll show you a little bit. I have already explained the designing thing like in my last video when we created the email template, but still quickly I'll show you, like, yeah, see here you can put your clients email, sorry, Facebook URL, Twitter URL, Pinterest, etc. Now alignments, now here it's in the middle. If you don't want in the middle, if you want in the left, you can do. If you want right, you can do, or just leave it as middle. Okay, so it's up to you. You can add some more social link, like see, this is the YouTube, LinkedIn. If you want to add them, you can add, or if you want to delete some of them, you can delete. So I'm not doing anything here now. Now these are some link already given. You can use them. You can change the name of the link. Okay, so like this you can edit and you can create email in like 5 minutes. But in this video mainly I wanted to discuss about like how to personalize the email using the personalization string, amp script, and then dynamic content block. Okay, so hope you like the video. If you like my video and channel, please subscribe and click the like button. That will be a motivation for me. Thank you so much for watching. And in my next video I am going to show you how to create the data extensions and some more topics about the data. Like data is in the heart of marketing cloud, the AI tool, Einstein, everything, basically they work on the basis of the data. So You got to understand the data structure. It's very important. So in my coming video, I'm going to discuss about quite a few topics on data extension, data modeling, etc. Then we will also discuss about automation studio, journey builder. So just stay tuned and subscribe my channel for more update. Thank you so much. Bye bye.